scoop garlic powder, 1 scoop paprika, then pinch of salt, 3 scoop milk powder, 2 scoop cornstarch, fish sauce, vinegar, black pepper. This fried chicken recipe is from my mom that she learned from her grandma, that my grandma learned from her mom, that she learned from my great-great-grandma. Marinate overnight or at least 3 hours. Prepare flour and cornstarch, 50-50 ratio. Garlic powder, paprika, pinch of salt, chicken powder. Mix until you feel your shoulder aching for a bit. That's the sign you need to stop. Coat chicken thoroughly. The oil must be hot before frying our chicken. Fry for 15 minutes, make sure to turn it over every 10 minutes to avoid burning our chicken. Charan. Delicious and crispy fried chicken. Thank you for watching. I hope you get health if you click that subscribe button.